Ariola, and I'm gonna walk you through the project I work on as part of the selection process for full stack developer. And this is the React Node challenge I have worked on. So let me walk you through the backend where I have different things like Prisma, which is the ORM I decided to use in this project. And I used this ORM because at the beginning I was thinking that it was not going to be a big project, but then I realized I needed something to handle the database. I started with Redis, which is a fair, easy to use database, to be honest. And as I moved through the features, I thought for this project, well, I thought I need a persistent database and to get things easier or for me and focus on the project. I use SQLite, and that's what you're going to see here in the project. For example, you see here is the database of SQLite. All right. But let's move to the features. All right. So in the features, we have the API, some configuration, model services, and let's start with API. I have four different files in order to take care of different things, you know. So single responsibility in order to have this order and clean. So for example, I have my endpoints for everything related to authentication. I know that I could use something like Auth0 to take care of everything and move to other um, more interesting features probably. But I wanted to use or to deal with the challenge of handling everything on my own. So that's why you will find here everything related to login, logout, forgot password, and reset password. As you know, when we handle something related to authentication, at some point you might forget your password. So it's better to be prepared for that. The logout endpoint is responsible for blacklisting a token. So let's say as a user, you get your token stolen, but if you log out your safe, you because the this service takes care of blacklisting that token. So in case someone stole your token, he won't be able to use your identity within the app because this service take care of blacklisting that token so you can rest assured that nothing will happen. All right, so that is related to authentication. Then let's move to Corn. We have a endpoint to purchase Corn, which goes through two middlewares. One is the authentication middlewares, but also it goes through the rate limiter middleware in order for all users to have the ability to just buy one Corn per minute. We also have the purchases, where we can see information like, for example, you want to see the purchase history or the details about a specific order, you can see that here. And regarding users, you have interesting things like uploading what? Images. What images? The profile of a user should have an image, so that's why I have this here, right? Then for registering a new user, for getting the current user profile, and other things. I also have this configuration for Prisma, for Redis, and I have here the functions that take care of blacklisting token. I also have my middlewares for admin, for authentication, and for rate limiting and telling the user when he tried to make too many requests, as you see here, and the models for purchasing and for user. All right. So let's move now to the front end. By the way, here are some images that I have uploaded so far. Okay, so now let's go to the front end and let me show you what are the things I have here. For example, I have my API where I have everything related to the endpoints, the picture is a password, forgot, logout, and all of these endpoints. I also have my assets, and these assets you're going to see show in short why I have all of that. And my components, the only cleanup thing that I should have done here that, and I didn't have enough time to do that, is creating like a folder for everything here. So that will be more clean like I did here. No? And then I have my pages, forgot, home, profile, and reset password. Let me now show you. All right, so here I was about to do this. Let me close this and show you how the app looks like. So I have this nice carousel of images, some features, and we're stating we're open 24/7, we deliver on time, and we have some links of the page. All right, so let's try to sign in as I was trying to do here, and let's try with this. And I have this nice UI when you sign in. As you see, the predominant colors are yellow and black because it's corn, so why not yellow? You can purchase, but if you try to do that, oops, it seems you're trying to buy too much corn at once, right? So please hold on. Easy. All right. If I sign out, I can sign out. All right. So why is this here? Probably I forgot to clean this when you add a new user. So this is the image, the last image I use. For example, you see here, this is the image I tried. Well, I uploaded. All right, let's see if I have. All right, let's use this. All right, let's use this new image. So username, let's call it Codio123, for example. As an email, I will use. In fact, I think I have some this information here. All right, so let's go with this. All right, let's go with this. All right, so the email will be new user Stan. This will be the password. Um, Password, right? Oh, okay. And I think I'm wrong because maybe I'm nervous. All right, so this is going to be the username. Oh no, that's let's use this. Right. And this is the password. The password have some rules, but as I said before, well, time was not my friend here. So yeah, I should tell you that, and maybe that's a good improvement here, just letting you know that you need at least 8 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character. So that's definitely something we can easily add here. For now, let's sign up. And as any other nice application, this will take you to the profile section, and you will be able to right away start interacting with the rules we have in place. By the way, if I go here to the backend, you will see that now I have 3 images in the uploads. See, I have 3. I used to have just 1, but now I have 3. Okay, and let's sign out, and then let's try to sign in. I have a user here and that I want to use is this one. And why do I want to log in with this user? Because it has a problem actually. And let's do this. Let's try to um, do this. And I want to reset this password because this password has no numbers. So it's a big problem. All right, let me go to my email. This is my email. and I got this. I got the password, the email telling me that I want to I was given, this. So yeah, I get the password link so I can reset my password, and let's use the same. In fact, let's just change this to 34. All right. So let's go with 34, and let's go here. 34, 34. All right. Set new password. Okay, you can go back to login. All right. So now I should be able to use my account again. The problem I had is when I created this user, I didn't add numbers in the all right in the password. So now it's working, and I keep using my account again, and I can sign out. And this is pretty much the app. It also is responsive. So yeah, as you can see here, it's responsive. Look nice. Doesn't matter if you're on your desktop, it will work as nice as it was working. By the way, this is the default image. If you don't send an image and you just fill all the other fields, it will place this as your profile image, right? So this is pretty much the the project. And thank you so much for watching. And that's me. All right. Thank you.